Mr. Roger Miller, all-time classic, King of the Road. Let me talk to you a minute. Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let for 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, all but 2 hours of pushing broom. Buys an 8x12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means I'm king of the road. A third boxcar midnight train, my destination is Bangor, Maine. Oh, worn out suits and shoes, you know what? I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies that I found. You see, they're short, but they're not too big around. I'm a man of means, by no means I'm king of the road. I know every engineer on every train. I know all of their children. I can even call them all by their name. I know every handout in every town. In fact, I know every lock that ain't never been locked when no one's around. I sing trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let for 50 cents. No phone, y'all, no pool, no pet. I ain't got no internet, but 2 hours of pushing broom will buy an 8x12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means I'm king of the road. Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets, and I ain't got no cigarettes. I'm the king of the road. Yeah. Thank you all for listening. Happy New Year. We're gonna get out here in the beach and take these cowboy clothes off.